I'm sure you've heard the word hypnosis before. And when you picture the word, you probably see some creepy old man swinging a watch in front of you reciting, "You're getting very sleepy." Accurate? Point is, we all have our unique interpretations of hypnosis, and unfortunately, most interpretations are highly inaccurate. On TV, you typically see the hypnotist as someone who is sinister and is playing with human behaviors. But in reality, you are not given the full picture. Let's break down hypnosis. In simple terms, hypnosis is when the brain is highly susceptible to suggestions. This typically happens in many ways. One way is through intense focus. Remember the situation with the hypnotist swinging the watch? It's not the watch that makes you hypnotized. It's your intense focus on the watch that makes you hypnotized. Whenever you have a laser-like focus on something, you are put in a trance-like state, which makes your mind more open to suggestions. Storytelling is a form of hypnosis. A good storyteller will seamlessly create mental movies which will cause the recipient to be in a trance-like state. But let's go deeper. Let's say you want to hypnotize yourself. What do? Well, it's a matter of walking down memory lane. Why memory lane? It's because your inner child holds the answers. Up to the age of 7 years old, your subconscious mind is like a sponge. You absorb everything around you. This is because your brain is operating in theta waves. Theta waves is when your brain is highly open to suggestions. More on this shortly. This is why the programs that you download during your childhood plays a major role in your adulthood. Why isn't it easy for my brain to absorb later in life? It's because your brain changes as you mature. The 4 important types of brain waves for an adult: beta, which is known as consciousness; alpha, which is known as relaxed; delta, which is known as sleeping; theta, when you are waking up or going to sleep. As I mentioned, around the age of 7, your brain is operating in theta waves. That is when your brain is most receptive to suggestions. Notice something from my brainwaves list? As an adult, you are in theta state 2 times in the day, when you are waking up or going to sleep. That is when your brain is highly open for suggestions, aka hypnosis. As you are waking up, you are still in a dreamlike state. And as you are about to go to sleep, you are about to enter a dreamlike state. This is your opportunity to hypnotize yourself. Remember this, your current reality is a projection of your subconscious mind. Your conscious mind can try to make all the changes it wants, but unless your subconscious mind complies, it'll be tough. The point of hypnotizing yourself is to make your subconscious mind comply. During those 2 times in the day, visualize your future self, use your imagination, or record yourself saying a bunch of affirmations that suit your life, and listen to it daily as you wake up or are about to go to sleep. Affirmation is "I am" plus desired state. Example, "I am confident," or you can also go on YouTube and hear already recorded affirmations. The average Bubba starts their morning and ends their night with checking their phone. During the 2 times they can hypnotize themselves and rewire their mind, they choose to waste it. Don't be like them. Be different. Anyways, there was a lot of info, so let me give you a quick recap. Hypnosis equals trance-like state where your brain is open to suggestions. Hypnosis is best during the theta brainwaves. You have theta brainwaves when you wake up and as you go to sleep. 2 opportunities throughout the day, champ. Use them wisely. For more innovative hacks to rewire your mindset, check out my book, Level Up Mentality, a guide to re-engineer your mindset for confidence. Deprogram limiting beliefs and install the empowering beliefs to reboot your life. You can grab the Level Up Mentality in the link in the description box, the pinned comment, or go on ArmaniTalks.com and grab your copy today.